Aoshima Hayabusa Muses-C 32分の1 scale spacecraft series from Japan. Company of Aoshima, a plastic model company, and they have produced this kit set of a spacecraft launched in 2003. Molded in grey plastic, it comes in a box, well wrapped. All the sprues are separately wrapped. 安全なことですね. The safety instructions are in easy Japanese, but not in English, so be careful. And this is an introduction of the machine from JAXA, Japan Space Administration, and essentially gives you a little bit of the history of the machine. Travelled to Itokawa asteroid. It took 2 years to get there, covering 85 million kilometres. It was powered by a 2.6 kilowatt ion engine, an ion power generated by solar panels, as well as a battery in the craft. The instructions are clear, wakariyasui setsumei desu ne. They're very easy to understand, well illustrated, and all numbered clearly. And the instructions are bilingual, English and Japanese. 英語と日本語で読むことができます。And well illustrated. 英語または日本語を習うことが良いと思います。Right, so these are nicely molded, crisp and from good quality plastic. 部品はきれいに製解されています。そしてプラスチックは良質です。Good quality. The color for the dish will be light grey. 皿の色は明るい灰色になります。The solar panels will be dark blue. ソーラーパネルの色は紺青になるかもしれません。This is the asteroid. これは小惑星です。What color? Can you imagine? 何色？想像ができますか？ I will choose a rust color. サビ色を選びます。In the kit set, there is a figure called Hayabusa-tan. キットセットには Hayabusa-tan というモデルがあります。A collectible figure apparently in Japan. I begin to assemble the plastic model. プラモデルを組み立て始めます。Look at everything twice, think about it, then cut, and finally assemble it. もう一度見て、考えて、切ります。最後にプラモデルを組み立ちます。The body of the space machine is colored gold. 宇宙機の本体は金色です。Space machine in Japanese is 宇宙機。Paint large parts such as the solar panel while they are still on the sprue. ソーラーパネルなどの大きな部品をスプルーに取り付けたままで塗装します。That way it is good. だんだん作りますね。だんだんできます。Gradually coming together.The tripod, good word, sankyaku is 3 legs. Difficult to attach. Tsukenikui to omou. Yeah, finding it difficult to put parts through. The dish. The background needs preparation, as in a diorama. Heikei ni wa junbi ga hitsuyou desu. Built. Dekimashita. This is a bronze nameplate. これはブロンズのネームプレートです。The asteroid is the same color as a meteorite that I saw in Hokkaido. しょうわくせいは北海道で見た隕石と同じ色です。I would rate the kit as possibly level 2, getting on parts of it to level 3. Some imagination's required and some levels of difficulty there. 難しくないです。ありがとう。